SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are doing a Filipino food collaboration. We've partnered with 13 other wonderful food channels to bring you these delicious recipes. All the links to these wonderful food channels will be listed in the description box. So please visit them. Don't forget. So today I am going to be making the delicious Filipino recipe, chicken adobo. If you want to see how I do this recipe, guys, keep watching. Now let's get cooking. First ingredients is soy sauce. Then we have some rice vinegar, some black peppercorns, sugar, bay leaf, garlic, and of course our chicken. First thing I'm gonna do is marinate the chicken. I use 10 cloves of garlic. A lot of garlic for this recipe, guys. I ground up 5 cloves. I'm gonna be using 1 cup of soy sauce. I'm gonna take half a cup and put with this 5 cloves of crushed garlic, and that is gonna be the marinade for the chicken. All right, so we're just gonna use half a cup of the soy sauce. Okay, so put that in there, and then all I'm gonna do is give it a good stir. Okay, so see, this is what it looks like. It's just garlic and soy sauce, and my chicken was already cleaned. I washed them and cut them up. I'm gonna put that in there. So I use, like I said, the chicken legs and just cut them up. Okay, so I'm actually using 3 legs in this recipe. And then all I'm doing is just giving this a stir. Get it all covered. Make sure it's nicely covered. You want to get that flavor in there. Looking really good because it's all covered with the sauce. What I'm going to do with this is cover it up, and then I'm just going to let it sit for about an hour. You can leave it for longer. The longer you leave it, the more it's going to get into that chicken, and the flavor is just going to be more intense. So it's up to you, but I think 1 hour is good enough. Okay guys, so now my chicken has been marinated, so I'm gonna start cooking. First step is to fry or brown the chicken. Turn on the stove, and I'm gonna let the pot get hot. I want to make sure when I'm browning that chicken, there's no garlic on it. So I'm gonna make sure I clean out all the pieces of garlic. If I don't, they're gonna burn and it's gonna make it kind of bitter. And then I'm gonna save the soy sauce and the garlic because that's gonna help to cook the chicken. All right, so that's hot. I'm just gonna pour about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I'm gonna put the chicken in there to brown. So we just wanna keep turning it and getting it nice and brown. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, guys. Getting it nice and brown. That smells so good. The garlic with the soy sauce. It really smells good. And I'm not going to throw anything away. In that, I'm going to add my peppercorn, bay leaf, and I'm not just using like 4 bay leaf because they're kind of small. So I'll use 4. Turn down the heat, and the garlic, and I'm going to just cook that down a bit, like with that bay leaf. You want to just bring out the flavor out of that and out of the pepper, also the garlic. So you just cook it down until it's nice and toasty. Next thing I'm gonna do is add the rest of my marinade sauce in there. add my other half a cup of soy sauce. Rice vinegar. So I'm going to put a cup of that as well. Same amount as my soy sauce. Okay. Now to that, I'm turning up the heat and I'm going to add a cup of water. So I have a cup and a little bit of water, just a little bit more than a cup. Okay, and to that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. Now I have all my ingredients in there. I'm going to cover it up, bring it to a boil before I add the chicken. So see, it's boiling. Now I'm just going to add the chicken to it. Okay, so we're just going to put them down like so. And I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to let it cook like that for 30 minutes. For the first 30 minutes, I cook it open like this. And then I will turn them. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it for 30 minutes, guys. It's half an hour later, guys. Look at this chicken. It's looking so good. It's smelling good. Now we're just going to turn it over. See, nice color. And the sauce is nice and thick. I'm just going to turn that over like that. We're just going to let it cook now for the next half an hour. Altogether, the cooking time, 1 hour, it should be done. And this time, I'm covering it up. And I'm going to turn it down on my low and just let it simmer away. So this way I don't want the sauce to dry up. I want to keep it now. And this is going to go really good with some jasmine rice, basmati rice, any kind of rice, your veggies, and you got a beautiful dinner, Filipino style. Voila, guys, look at that chicken. It's ready. It's all done. Look at that. All that nice gravy. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And here you have it, guys. Our delicious chicken adobo. Until next time, you guys have a great day and God bless.